Buenos días, ¿cómo estáis? ¿Bien? ¿Así, así? Or mal? I hope you are all doing muy bien, okay? Hoy, today, es viernes, el 3 de abril de 2020. Do you remember the days of the week? Let's start. We start with Monday, lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado y domingo. What about the months of the year, los meses del año? How do we start? First one, enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre y diciembre. Okay. Hoy we are going to do una recipe de Barcelona. That's where I'm from. That's where I grew up. Obviously, that's where I was born. Now, I don't know if you know much about Barcelona, but let me tell you a few things. We'll start with where Barcelona is. See? This is the US. This is the US. And we are in Arizona. Barcelona is all the way in Spain, in Europe. So very far away, okay? That's where Barcelona is. Almost touching France. Now, let me tell you a couple of things about Barcelona. For those of you that are soccer aficionados fans, I know you must know Barcelona, especially Football Club Barcelona. Barça, we call it, okay? Who do we have? We have Messi, we have Piqué, we have Suarez, we have Dembélé, best team of the world, let me tell you, okay? Now, let's start moving on to one more thing about Barcelona. I want to tell you about La Sagrada Familia. La Sagrada Familia is a church that it's being built, and it's being built for many, many years, over a century. They started construction, believe it or not, in 1882. Again, over a century. Let me show you a picture of La Sagrada Familia. See, is this church with a very different shape of most of the churches. And again, as I was telling you, the architect is Gaudi, a very well-known architect, even though he died many, many years ago. But he left all the planning, the construction plans, so they've kept constructing it. They say that it will be done within a few years, but still a few years to go. It's beautiful. If you ever go to Barcelona, make sure that you go and visit La Sagrada Familia, which would translate with something like the Sacred Family, okay? Now, let's go to the recipe, okay? First things first, what are we going to do? Going to wash hands. Hands should be washed and very clean, okay? Very, very clean. We'll wash my hands again. Okay. And then we will start with the recipe. I'll start with ingredients. Okay, well, I should start with the name of the recipe. The recipe is called pan con tomate. Pan con tomate. Okay? Now, what do we need? Easy. I forgot to tell you guys that it's a very easy, fácil recipe, okay? Very, very easy. So, as I was saying, the ingredients, ingredientes, we need pan, tomate, sí, tomate, aceite de oliva, okay? And then we need sal, okay? What do we need to do this recipe? We need plato, okay, plato. We need cuchillo. And then we need tabla de cortar, okay? La tabla de cortar. Okay. Now, we'll take the pan y el cuchillo y vamos a cortar. To cut. Okay. Vamos a cortar el pan. Okay. Vamos a cortar el pan. Okay. So I'm going to place it like this and then cortar el tomate. Cortar el tomate. The trick for this recipe is that el tomate should be very ripe. Okay. And what am I going to do? I'm going to untar el pan con el tomate. See? That it looks quite reddish, rojo, okay? Rojo. See? This is because the tomate is very ripe. Now I finish doing the tomate and I'll put it there. And then I'll take aceite de oliva, remember? Aceite de oliva. And I'm going to pour it there, okay, on top del pan con tomate. And then I'm going to add sal, okay, un toque de sal. La sal y el aceite de oliva, we do it al gusto. Al gusto means to your own taste, okay? Now, I forgot. If you don't find ripe tomates, you can use a grater and you grate the tomate. It will all fall in el plato, and then with cuchara, you put it on top of el pan, okay? That's a trick. If you don't find the ripe tomate. Now, there's one little different way of doing it, and it's that sometimes we toast el pan and then with some garlic, ajo, okay? We will spread it on el pan, okay? Before we put el aceite de oliva y la sal, okay? That would be if you like ajo a lot. Some people like to do that. Now we are going to learn how and when do we eat el pan con tomate, okay? We eat it usually for el desayuno, breakfast, or sometimes we eat it as well for la cena, dinner, okay? Dinner over there is much lighter. The big meal of the day is lunch. So that's why a lot of times we will have some pan con tomate, and then the pan con tomate we put some queso, okay, or some jamón, okay, some salami, and what we do is we just put it on top, and then we take jamón and we put it on top, and we take some queso and we do the same thing, okay? You can even make a sandwich, okay? Some people as well like to eat it with atún, tuna fish. And some people with tortillas, omelets. So again, there's a big variety of ways how you can eat the pan con tomate. But personally, I like it. Me gusta mucho. I would even say, instead of me gusta, me encanta. I love it, okay? So my challenge to you is go and try it and see if you like it or not, okay? Now, I'm going to go and eat my pan con tomate. Hasta pronto. Adiós.